Alright YouTube, what is up? Today we are back with another video. Hope all you guys are doing good. Today we're back with another video. I just finished working out. I still got my workout shoes on, but right now we're in Washington DC. Damn, I just left the Monuments, did a little jog in DC today, so figured I'll pick up the camera and do a little POV while I'm on the way back home. But right now I'm on my way to get some food. We're going to Arlington. That is a fat ass cemetery, bro.
I think that's what they've been there for 10 days.
Yeah, the soldiers, all the fallen soldiers, man.
RP them niggas.
Appreciate all y'all boys for y'all service, man. I need to order an O2 sensor badly. I think this is where the Pentagon is. Yeah. This nigga driving like an old man. Bro, this shit is so close to us. Imagine if that shit falls.
So for niggas, man, that's your biggest shit.
What would you do?
What can I do, bro? Just die.
Niggas, I'ma just die. I'm weak. Weak as fuck. We're going to the Arlington Mall, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, Pentagon food court. What do you feel like eating?
I don't even know yet, bro.
Chipotle, Chick-fil-A.
Chipotle?
Chipotle?
Oh, maybe Chick-fil-A too, the fries.
Chick-fil-A fries?
I fuck with their sauce too, yeah.
Well, I had my AirPods in the whole time, so I felt like everything was quiet. I'm so drunk. I ain't even pee, bro. Wait, which way? Straight?
Straight.
Bro, these roads are crazy.
DC for you, nigga.
Like, I don't even know which way is which. Jesus Christ, bro. You nigga. Go, you good, buddy. Go ahead. Yo, where's my other AirPod? No. I bet. Damn. The Westin. The Westin Hotel, you ever heard of that? I look, you regret turning my pop. Damn, like everything is scraping. Turning off my pops. Now I got no pops and bangs. Holy. Let me take a thumbnail real quick. there's always cops over here, like always. Like there's at least one posted up right there. Metropolitan Police. Ski.
Chicken shit for it?
Them? I ain't never. Damn, that nigga skirted off as soon as I got here. Let's see if he gets behind me though. That would be kind of wicked if he does.
He's tweaking for real.
Oh God. Hopefully the nigga don't get behind me. That'd be very catastrophic. Alright, but we good. We safe and sound, man. I bet he just passed up. You straight.
I was in my car. Grab my heart with a drop.
Huh?
I was in my car. In my heart with a drop, bro.
Niggas in my heart with a drop. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Y'all I'm scraping this bitch.
You said the Chick-fil-A was across or not? That wasn't.
Chick-fil-A's right there.
I bet.
Nah, Chipotle gonna hit.
Chick-fil-A, no, but the spicy shit. Yeah, fuck.
Nigga, they said no parking in Fireland, man. Gotta change my kicks. Take these off. Put this on. My trunk is a mess. If you haven't copped your merch, make sure you do so. But right now, I'm about to go in there, get some food. Now BRB. Package secure. We need 3 seats. Only one that got 3 seats is this right here. There we go. V right here. Food right here. Nice little Chipotle grub. After working out, can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong. What you get, Benny? Chicken?
Yeah, I got some chicken, some avocados, and some fish. Let me show you.
Hey, man. I don't like bowls.
There's a place right here.
Nigga, this little. How much you pay for this shit?
Bro, I paid like $14.50 or something.
Fuck no.
Them niggas be goofing, bro.
Nah, you got scammed, bro.
I mean, I don't really come here like this, so the point of the day is
Nah, bro, they stained your ass. Yo, my man's what I got finesse broad daylight. Not gonna lie, you gonna have to get back, bro.
I mean, at least I ain't get no water though.
Burrito? No warehouse?
Hey. Man, look at that mom.
That's not supposed to look, no. Not that.
We didn't get the cheese and stuff.
Oh no.
Man got finesse, bro. Died.
We don't get no fajitas.
No vinaigrette, nothing. He's a bot. Man.
OD bar. OD bar.
Man. All done eating now. I'm so full. I feel so lazy. I don't even want to move on, want to do shit, but car right here.
What we about to do?
Yeah. How big is that package? Can you fit in the car? From the joint. Yeah. Okay. Alright. About to get in the car. And about to go to the BMW, pick up more parts real quick. Let me put on my GoPro. No cash up. I'm so full, but I'm lazy as shit. I don't want to do nothing, bro. Damn. That was probably one of the best Chipotle's I've had in a while. That shit was here, right?
Nah, that shit was hit.
Oh God. See, I knew I wasn't tripping. Man, we gotta hit the road. We're about to go to BMW to pick up the part that we need. Hold on. As soon as I get home. Hey you. Go ahead, boss man. Let's see. BMW. $10 miles. How far is that shit? 25 minutes away. Not bad. I'm talking about in it. My GPS be so delayed now. I don't know why, nigga. There we go. Finally got some pops. 3,000 RPMs. Okay. Oh my God. For some reason, I'm starting to rub in the front again. Well, not again. I've never really rubbed in the front, but I'm starting to rub in the front. The back is not as bad anymore, but now the front is getting worse. It's getting to the point where it's kind of messing with my tires because it keeps hitting like the corner of my fender. So I don't know. So much BS that I need to figure out as time goes on, but I don't know. I'll get through it. We'll see. We will see. Radar. Okay. Where you going, eh? Roads are very questionable, so I gotta be careful, man. There we go. Oh my God. The fuck was that? I'm about to sex this tunnel up, son. How am I still braking, bro? How am I still losing traction, bro? because only this side is rubbing, not that side. I don't know. Man, oh man. Damn, now there's traffic. Only 10 minutes into the drive, already traffic, man. Shit sucks. We are now here. BMW Fairfax. Gotta pick our parts. But look, that's what I was referring to. You see, this is from my fender rubbing in the front, and it's messed up the tires. If I keep this up, it might poke a hole in this motherfucker. And I might be stranded on the highway, so I need to get that fixed. I'm gonna roll that front one, but the other side doesn't have that issue. It's only one side, which is the driver's side. But now I'm about to go in there, pick up this part, and yeah, the car looking pretty good though. Package not secured. Some way, somehow, parts ended up being here. Just couldn't find it, but got the part now. Everything's secured. Now I'm about to go home, shower, go get my hair done, go about my day. So that's all gonna do it for today's video. I definitely do appreciate you guys for watching. I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.